Now for today's warm-up, number 1, identify the slope as positive, negative, 0, or undefined. Well, the slope is defined as the rate of change. So as we look at this blue line, it is in a vertical position. And with it being in a vertical position, going straight up and down, this would be an undefined slope. Number 2, identify the slope. The slope, again, is the rate of change. We can see that by change of y over the change of x. So we look at our points that may be on the crosshairs here. We have a point here, here, and also here. So if we start at this point, we go up until we reach an even mark with one of the dots. And then we go over to that particular point. So how far did it actually rise? It rose 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And it went over or ran to the right 1, 2 units, positive 2. So our slope would equal 4 over 2. If we reduce that, that would actually give us 2 over 1. If we look at that also, we could start from this particular point and go over until it's even with the other point and up until it hits it. How far over did it go? It went over to the right, positive 1. And it rose or went up positive 2. So in this case, m equals 2 over 1, which is exactly the same. And number 3, write a linear equation. Our linear equation is y equals mx plus b. We're going to find our y-intercept. We look to where the x is 0 and the corresponding y value is actually the y-intercept. In this case, it's positive 7. So far we have y equals mx positive 7. Now what we want to look for is our constant rate of change. We start with the x's. Negative 3 to 0, we're adding 3. 0 to 3, we're adding 3. 3 to 6, we're adding 3. The y values, 6 to 7, we're adding 1. 7 to 8, we're adding 1. And 8 to 9, we're adding 1. So, referring back to change of y over change in x, our slope, or rate of change, would be m equals positive 1 over positive 3. So now what we have is y equals positive 1 over positive 3 x plus 7.